spell the last word?
Alex Alvaro, Alvaro.
And how old are you?
I'm 17.
Are you attending high school?
I just graduated. I will be going to Midwest University in September.
And it's true that you were present at prom.
Yes.
And who was your date for prom?
Pat Painter.
What were your expectations of the night?
We were going to go to prom, dance, have fun, and then go hang out under the stars afterwards.
What were your after prom plans?
Well, we were going to go back to the docks, and Dustin and I both had boats, and we were just going to stay out there under the stars.
And did you drink?
I had some champagne.
All right. Who all was on your boat?
After we left the docks, I was pulling Renee and Janet in tubes.
And what happened next?
Dustin challenged me to a race.
And who won that race?
Well, we started to get close to Railroad Bridge, but I didn't want for us to both be heading towards the bridge at the same time, so I pulled back and let Dustin go ahead.
So, and can you tell me what your voting credentials are?
I've had my voting license, and I've been voting regularly since I was 14.
So you're safe, everybody else is safe, you're all having a good time.
Yes.
And can you describe the water conditions for me?
It was fairly choppy, but it wasn't anything we couldn't handle.
So, with your best estimate, would you be able to tell the harsh slap of the water or maybe the thud of a body? Specifically Freddie Ferris's body in this case?
Well, I don't know because I've hit water before, but to my knowledge I've never hit a body.
So it's possible that Dustin didn't hit it and maybe somebody else did.
Objection, speculation. This witness just testified the last question that she would not know whether or not they hit a body and would not know what that feels like.
Response?
It's not going towards the truth of the matter asserted.
I'll state the objection. It is, in fact, requesting speculation. So
Okay.
you may not answer that question.
At any time, did you see Dustin's boat hit anything?
No.
No further questioning.
Ross?
Good afternoon, Alex. How are you today?
I'm fine.
You stated before you're 17 years old, correct?
Yes,
Did you choose to drink the night of prom?
I did.
Are you aware that the drinking age in Minnesota is 21?
I am.
Was Dustin drinking that night to your knowledge?
He drank some. No.
Lee and Renee testified that they saw. Do you remember having a close call with Dustin?
Go under the bridge.
Do you consider this a reckless act?
If he swerves to avoid something, no.
As experienced boaters as you and Dustin are, would you two normally swerve at each other for fun?
No.
So would you consider this a reckless act? or an act out of the ordinary, I should say.
He didn't swerve towards me, he swerved ahead of me. I was behind him, we were not at the same spot.
Okay, did this affect your boating at all?
I only pulled up behind him to see where he was going. He pulled ahead first and I followed behind. We weren't going to separate.
Did you have to cut or alter your path at all due
I
to
did.
Dustin swerving?
I did, I swerved right behind him.
Okay, thank you, Robert.
Friedman?